What's going on? Welcome to Buds Unboxing. We're a couple buds and we're opening boxes. That was intuitive, right?
Yeah,
They couldn't figure that out.
Pretty self-explanatory.
You trying to get into this new box?
Yeah, man.
All right, let's see it. This one, not as much of a mystery.
Nah, man. This is very obviously Flintt's mints.
How did you know that?
Because it says it.
It says it 100 times?
It says it a lot on the box.
Let's take a look. All right, here we go. Oh,
Ooh,
baby.
That's so pretty.
We got to show this to everybody. Look at that. Oh, boy. That's branding at its finest right there.
Yeah, man. It looks like a Uno deck.
That's very alluring. It is Flintt. We got the Flintt bar, right?
Yeah.
It is more specifically Flintt's mouthwatering mints.
Yeah.
And I got these look like fun Altoids.
They do look like
This is very good. This is very good branding.
What is these different numbers in the front? I mean,
That
I know
is
with
a
the cherry,
great
mint, lemon is obviously the flavor.
Yeah.
F strength. Is that strength?
Yeah. You can with the strength of 150 men,
Oh, wow.
200 men, and 250 women.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I think I'd go 250 women.
All right, let me see. Let me see if it says. Okay. For cooling cherry burst experience, place 1 tablet on tongue to engage mouth-watering principle. Sparkling flavor tones to accompany.
That's my new pickup
Into it.
line.
That's your new Tinder profile?
Yeah, man. Tell
Ramon
the lady
Rivas.
I want to give you some mouth-watering principle.
Ooh la la.
All right, so it doesn't
proper.
explain what the F strength is. Now the whole idea with these obviously is that it's meant to be a cure for dry mouth,
Yeah.
right?
Which I've got right now.
You have it right now?
Yeah, I came prepared. I smoked.
You just smoked a big blunt outside?
Yes.
Cool.
I feel like I should go with the biggest number though. If I'm gonna go big or go home.
We still don't know what the number means though.
I mean, I don't know either, but I want if it's strength, I want it to be all the way to the top.
Let me do it. Oh, extra one. Save it for later.
Are you normally a mint biter? Like, is this a challenge for you to not bite it?
No. I'm not a mint biter. I'm a gum swallower.
It's got pretty good saturation.
I like this.
I got a good mouth feel.
Yeah.
It's
So
giving me
yeah.
just giving me the juiciness of like a gum,
Right.
but with the firmness of a mint.
Yeah, it's like gum juice. Like that's the best part of gum. Like you remember like Bubblicious as a kid or whatever?
Ooh, I got
It's
that
got you got
first
that
one.
like real like juiciness going.
It's got
It's
good-
also like a little bit of like a tingly sensation.
That's why I
like.
just got to the tingle.
Yeah. I didn't get that initially, but I'm getting it now. So, like I said, you literally just smoked. You didn't drink water.
Yeah.
Is this like alleviating the dry mouth?
I mean, my mouth is real wet.
What level? What level? Are we talking like 250 wet?
I mean, I feel like
In terms
my
of,
mouth is as wet as
Units
if
of
you like,
wetness.
if you like, I don't know,
You're gonna go
pay
somewhere dirty with
for
this,
the
right?
movies, and
Right.
the dinner.
Right.
Everything went well.
Right.
Busted out some flowers.
Right.
You're at that level of wetness in my mouth.
That's like 250 plus.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Depending on the dinner.
It's very tingly.
It also
tingly
tastes
all the way.
good too.
Yeah.
Like it's not. I feel like it's not just like a practical thing. It like
Is that
These
the
just-
lemon one? Yeah.
that's a lemon one.
And it's not heavy. It's not like a lemon head lemon,
Right.
but it is like, I feel it. It's sticking with me in like a different way.
Yeah. I like the tingle. I was not expecting that.
I feel like the tingle is if I'm getting real intimate with a 9-volt battery.
Right.
Like real intimate. My mouth feels alive.
It is a little. I get no. It's
Like
you
I
sound
feel like my mouth got its groove back.
right. On one hand, you sound crazy. On the other hand, I completely know what you're talking about.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I feel like this is like another example of like when super smart people are now making stuff to help people who smoke weed. You know what I
I
mean?
know, man. I'm wondering
Like-
what he was using this moistness power for before this.
Probably for evil.
I know. He was
Yeah,
probably
I
not
have
very
to-
responsible.
I have to assume. We actually have a special guest here. Do you know about this?
No.
We got the man himself, the man who made our mouths so wet,
Ooh. Oh my.
the creator of Flintt's mouthwatering mints. My man Russell's here. Russell, come join us.
Cool.
I feel like there should be applause. Wait a minute. How are you? Hop on in. Hop on in. Get cozy.
Yeah, I'm feeling very cozy, very warm in the middle here.
How dry is your mouth right now?
I would say I'm at like if 10 is like gushing, I'm
Yeah.
at like a 3 now. I'm pretty dry.
Okay.
Yeah.
So is that what these numbers mean?
These numbers, so the F strength, F doesn't really stand for anything.
It's not strength?
It is not strength, although that would be pretty intuitive. F,
I'd be lying if I said I wasn't disappointed.
it might help you in that regard, but F actually stands for Flintt or Fugu. That's our mascot right there.
He's not named Flintt.
He is not named. He's not named
Fugu.
Flintt. He's named Fugu. Yeah.
That's fun.
Like Fubu?
Like a little bit, but more like a blowfish from Japan.
Okay, gotcha.
Fugu is a type of blowfish from Japan, and it's also, he is shaped like the main ingredient in Flintt's, which is the spilanthes flower.
Are you addicted to these? Like, are you walking around with like just a sopping wet mouth all day?
Johnson
because you
farm?
just yeah.
Actually, yes, yeah, all
Okay.
day.
He just drew. He's like some sort of Pavlovian.
Yeah.
Because it's not just about the mouth watering, it's also about the tingle that we call the sparkle,
Yeah.
which for me keeps my mouth away from other bad habits like smoking cigarettes or
Interesting.
or biting my nails or whatever. So it's kind of like the twofold product there.
Yeah.
The mouth watering and the sparkle.
Right.
Okay. And
Yeah,
there's
I'll
no
give you one of
plastic
these.
in any of these packages.
So we don't use any plastic in any of our packaging. This is all tin, and obviously this is cardboard here.
Right.
The ingredients are all vegan. The sparkle comes from naturally from plants. The whole product is made from plants. Every tablet is uniform. Every tablet is exactly the same. And so it's sugar-free, and so it dissolves nicely in your mouth.
How did you decide to pair this with cannabis? Because it does not have cannabis in it itself, correct? It's like a...
No THC, no CBD. It's not medicated at all.
Before you got to this level, were you just selling mouth-watering this on the streets? Opening up a coat like, hey, what you...
He was actually setting up shop in front of Little Kids Lemonade stand. Just diverting business.
Well, the original form factor was like a nail polish bottle that you would rub on your tongue, but it's like, that's, I don't know, sus, super sus.
Yeah.
Interesting, so it's gone through a lot of permutations.
Many permutations.
Where will
Word.
it go? Where will it go
Yeah.
next?
Next, we have 3 more flavors coming.
Okay. What
Actually,
would the F strengths be?
Cinnamon ginger, which is F strength 300.
Bro.
We'll also do a watermelon, which will be an F strength of 50, and a tangerine that will be 150.
Okay.
Now, was this like born out of you personally like having dry mouth a lot, or was it just something that you thought would be like a useful thing for people?
Both, yes.
Yeah.
So it originally started because I couldn't stop eating them. I was like, freaky addicted to them.
Yeah.
And I just thought other people would like it.
That's
but-
how heroin started too.
You heard it here first.
But like over the last couple years, the cannabis industry is coming in real hot, and I
Yeah.
thought, you know what? That's a real problem to solve, and
It's a good marriage, man.
Yeah.
It's a very
Yeah, and I
good
guess,
marriage.
I mean, the packaging is super crisp, it's very alluring, and what I like about it too is that, like, you see how it's like super thin. Like, the big drawback, even just for like regular mints, is that like, it's very clunky. Like, I don't want to put something like that in my pocket. This is like, I could put in my pocket easily and not
Yeah.
even notice that it's there. So I feel like you guys definitely nailed the,
Well, I appreciate you
Marketing
saying
part,
that.
yeah.
Thank you very
No problem.
much. Yeah, we're very proud of our packaging, partly because there's no plastic, and partly just because we want something like beautiful to look at when you're, enjoying them. The
Yeah,
best
man.
time, obviously, when you're completely faced.
Is this like kind of the standard way that it comes, or can you buy these individually? Like, is the idea that they would be available to just like grab at the store or whatever?
a bodega.
At a bodega, or you can buy them individually at a couple cannabis dispensaries that we sell Flints at. Online, you can only buy them in sets of 3.
Cool.
This is like our new prize box, so this will be for purchases of 6 or more.
Okay.
And online, they always come 3 for $15.
Oh, that's
Nice,
cool.
that's great. Now, obviously we've talked about this in relation to cannabis, which certainly is like largely what it's gonna be used for, but the whole idea is that it's fixing dry mouth just in general.
Right.
Like, I'm not even a weed guy, and I was saying before, like, I get dry mouth just being a person. So like, just having these around. So we're gonna put this to the ultimate test here. What up? Wow. Everybody, let's get into
See if we
it.
can
Here
get
we go.
their mouth dry as
All right. We couldn't find saltines. That was the ultimate. I'm gonna say minimum 3 chips a piece, and then we're gonna try these mints.
These are negative F strength.
Yeah, they're definitely
These
negative.
are very salty. This is also the first thing I've eaten today.
Oh my god. All right, let's get those mints back over here. That was awful.
Yeah, tortilla chip would be a bad.
I might go with the top end strength right now.
Go for it.
Who feels like they have the most mouth dryness?
I'm going 250.
Yeah.
Okay.
I might go 2 cherries actually. I might double up on the cherries.
I'm gonna do 5. I'm gonna do 1,000 F strength.
Yo.
See you tomorrow, man.
How's that feeling over there?
I get it. There's like chips still in my mouth.
Yeah.
Mint and chip.
The chip
Weird.
residue is a weird
mix.
It's a weird flavor combo, but from the perspective of like my mouth not feeling as dry, it's definitely working.
The cherry is not so bad with the chips, weirdly.
Have you tested them with this bizarre method that we just tried?
Never. We're really blazing new paths now.
We are. But I feel like it worked.
Oh, the tingles here. Woo! 5 tingles at once,
It's got
bro.
the vapors.
Woo!
All right, now we just saw Ramon eat 5. Those are 200 strength, right? So you just ate 1,000 F strength.
How you feeling?
You don't seem.
Is there some part of you that likes
comfortable.
it though?
I just had to stop a bunch of spit from coming out my mouth.
You just turned into like a big like golden retriever.
Yeah, man. I'm just kind of riding this tingle.
Russell, what you got? You got anything else that you want to tell us about how dope this product is? Because we're into it.
I'm glad you're into it. It means a lot to me. Well, obviously, no THC, no CBD, no sugar, vegan, non-GMO, no plastic is something I'm very proud of.
I think you did a hell of a job.
Thank you very much. Yeah, so you look out for the new flavors coming like February.
Ramon, I just want to check in, make sure you're good.
You know how sometimes like you come and you like
hitting
don't
right.
touch me?
Yeah.
That's how
Stop.
that's how all my teeth feel
yeah.
right now.
Yeah. Your teeth feel like that?
Yeah, man.
Oh my god.
It is a wild.
You feel like your mouth just came.
Oh, it's like a lot.
Yeah.
It is safe for everyone. It's
Right.
safe for kids.
Yeah.
Oh man.
Man,
But
if
now
a kid
no
has
parents
5
are
of
gonna
these
let
at
their
once,
kids
that
have
kid
it.
is about to be a man. I fully endorse this.
So listen, man. Thank you very much for coming.
Thanks.
These are great. We're messing around with you, but it's a super good product.
Thank you very much.
Very much a need for it. So to any of the buds out there with a dry ass mouth, I know you're watching. Flintt's Mouthwatering Mints.